Hi, my name is Ruthie. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I'm going to be potting up my Mountain Crest succulent order that I received the other day. I did want to do a Christmas arrangement, but I can't find the things that I bought to do that. So I'm just going to pot them up in the meantime so that they're safe and sound and I don't have any casualties. I'm really excited because I got some really beautiful items from them. So why don't you join me? But if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is my basket of unrooted succulent cuttings, and it's like a kaleidoscope of colors. It's absolutely beautiful, but I need to pot it up because some of the leaves are getting wilted and I'm not gonna let them die on me. So I did really want to do a Christmas arrangement, but I don't know what happened to all of my things, so I'm gonna just pot the things up in the meantime. I did find these super cute owl planters at the 99-cent store, a Dollar Tree. So I just put some holes in the bottom, and I'm gonna pot a couple of things in there. I got 3 of them because I love owls, and these colors really complement my lanai colors, you can see. So it's like, how could I not get that, you know? So I got a couple of those. I honestly don't even know where to start because I have so many things. But I did want to keep most of the same ones in the same pot so that I can kind of have them grow. And I did want to have the painted ladies together, so I'll start with that. It's the painted lady, absolutely beautiful. I swear there's never enough room for everything. And this is going to be in my way, so I have to really figure this out. So I love this plant so much. It's so beautiful. I'm never prepared for potting. I don't have any topsoil, any pebbles. I'm finishing, you know, rocks. I never have enough pots. I'm just a hot mess. I'm gonna leave these little labels here so I know what they are. And I'm pretty sure I mentioned this before. I'm basically trying to grow my collection so at some point I do not have to purchase as much from anyone. What are you doing? Get out of there. No. You don't eat that. She's in the soil. What are you doing? Why do you do that? No. I know. You always like to be next to me. Okay. So I have no rhyme or reason for how I pot stuff up. Just kind of go with the flow. And I have so many ideas, so many things I want to do, and I hardly ever get to have them come to fruition because I'm just so busy with so many things that I can't concentrate on one. Alright, so what about these guys? These are the Echeveria acrovotes. I think I have 2 of those, so I can put those 2 as well. And I hate to put everything matchy-matchy, so I'm not... It's just that I did want to keep everything kind of together if I could. So you know what I'm going to do? I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Let me leave those two guys together. And I'll start putting some of these in there. Oh. And a lot of these I don't know the names because these are the unrooted cuttings that I received. So if you guys know any of the names, comment down below. Now this guy, I know he gets super big, so I don't want to put him in there. Maybe I'll just plop him in one of these like this, because I do like the colors. Look. I like that has a little bit of height, so I'm going to put that in the middle. I want to put these pearl ones all in one. So I'm going to put them in these because I want to propagate these. So I think I have 2 of them. And I'm actually recording at night with my lights, and I think I have some brightness here, so I'm super happy about that because I'm taking advantage of the night today. It's beautiful. It's nice and cool. I'm like, oh, heaven. You know, I may pop this like here. What do you guys think? I think that looks pretty, actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. You know what? I'm gonna replicate that leaf and clay order that I had and just put some spilling succulents on the side, and then just others around. I like it. Maybe I'll just make 2 of these and put them like on the sides, you know, with my little, and I'll leave them on this table as my little, I don't know. I like it already. I really am impressed with all of the different succulents I got here. So being that I'm doing this like this, I'm going to take this painted lady out of here. I know I make no sense. I just go randomly and do things. I'm going to take these out of here. And I know. Sorry. And I'm just going to put other... I need to put these there. Other succulents in here. I really wanted to make, and maybe I will get to it before Christmas. I wanted to make a Christmas arrangement. I bought these little lights, I bought all this stuff, and I don't know where it is. Or maybe I thought I bought them and I wound up buying something else. My mind does that sometimes. I forget. I have become forgetful in my old age. So let's see what the... I don't want it too many greens in one area and too many... God, these guys are so beautiful. So I'm going to put some string of bananas. I just took some cuttings and I'm going to put some in here. Just so I have something spilling over. I always like that. I really wanted to put some burro's tails or some string of pearls, but I don't have enough of that. So this will have to do for now. What I was able to do, I have 1, 2, 3 arrangements with the owls, and I put in some pebble rock because I didn't like the way it looked without the... It didn't look finished to me. So that's that one. Now this, I didn't put any pebble rock because I would like to get a smaller media to put in there. Like here, I didn't like how big these rocks look in here, but nothing to do now. I can't do anything about it now. And here, I would like to get a smaller media for that as well. This is the other one. I should have dusted off the dirt so it looks finished. I love all my cuttings, so beautiful. So I did not get to do a Christmas arrangement with these, but like I said, I do just want to kind of have these things grow so I don't have to keep ordering them and get my own supply eventually. But I really love these owl planters. I think they're so cute, so I had to use them. Alright, so if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you get announcements of my new videos. And by the way, no succulent was hurt in the making of this blinged out pointer. Bye.